So, look at this way though. We be Gullah Geechee. Can y'all say we be Gullah Geechee?
We be Gullah Geechee.
So, it ain't been a week. Try to broke them down like a daddy. That been the buck of them. That ain't been a week then. Okay? So, Gullah to the people, Geechee to the people. Okay? But when honey had to be the crack and teeth like a dish and thing like that, and black on it, whenever the camping and quarter and all that kind of thing like that, black on it, when the Madaba them been the last some people back and thinking different been punny bungie and thing like that, that been a true Gullah. Okay? Now, after all the buck right thing come wrong, then some of the children be to talk about, oh girl, go on and get them thing, you know. We ain't got nothing to eat to see now. Now that's Geechee. So Gullah is the original language with our African words and the African phonetic structure. Geechee is when you start putting in more loan words from mostly Elizabethan English, okay, and you start to have a bridge language. So Geechee is a pidgin or bridge language, but Gullah is the overall language. So Geechee is a dialect of Gullah, and that's why you never say Geechee before Gullah. Gullah always came before Geechee, and Gullah actually means the people blessed by Gullah. So hallelujah, we here to shout glad that 100 children asking for come up here. See, that was humility do. That was sincere spirit do. He ain't say he know everything. What you say we the village?
Yes.
So all of we have to learn one another something in the village. And that way you do. The elders and things learn to be children. Like they say, what the children must know, you must teach them. But if you don't know nothing, don't try to teach. But they say, when you don't know, you better what? Ask somebody. Come on now.
Ask somebody.
Yo, I asked somebody.